Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm working on the Stamp of the Month layout kit that I send to anyone who orders it from me. So this is the Stamp of the Month. It's so cute. It's from Owl of Us. It's only available October of 2023, so there's a few days left. I did advertise this layout on my Facebook page so that everybody could see it, but I want to put it together for everyone that has already ordered and received it, and I have more to give to everyone. So this is the layout one. It's flocked together, right, for birds. It's so cute. These ornaments I got off Design Space, but I designed this myself. It has some pattern paper from Cozy Up, some from Home for Christmas, and then I did some inking on the letters. So that was real easy. So let me show you. This is layout 2, and see, kind of the same thing. It looks really good when they go together. The branches I put so that they would meet. Let's see what else. I did some gold stars that really enhance it. I love it. Colored the owls with my tri-blend markers. And pretty simple, but really cute. I hope you like it. So if you order it from me, this is what you get. And if I need to mail it, I mail everything except for the base page, and it's just a piece of white cardstock. I actually have white daisy in here, but you can use any white cardstock, right? And take everything out, and there is a little paper here with directions. All right, it has both of them shown so that you can follow along. This is 1, this is 2, and I have them marked. So this is layout 1, and you get all your little pieces in a bag, and you get all of this. So this will go at the top, and some pieces might be a different color, a different shade. You never know. It depends on what I've got in my stash that I'm using up. So that goes on the bottom. And this actually is a piece of this paper on the other side. I just used this as in place of the zip strip that I had. And then you get some glitter paper. Always got to have glitter for these layouts. Love them. All right. And then I use the black paper that comes with the stamp set for my bases, because once you cover them up with your other layer, you don't even know. So I use that paper up. I don't throw anything away, especially as nice as this black paper is. And you might need to trim it down a little. I try to get them correct, but you never know. This is for stamping, okay? So you get a piece of paper for stamping. And you can always cut this piece down if you want to make it smaller. It's actually a 4x6. So let's see. And I had this down here, so you'll adhere everything together. I always get all my pieces out before I put anything down to make sure I have everything and everything is where I want it to be. So take everything out, and there's the together. And I did a lot of the offset feature for these because I like to really have them prominent and show. And I'm looking for my tweezers. Okay, and if you hear my cricket running, I'm getting ready for a retreat, so it is running frantically in the background. Okay, so there is one ornament. There are 3 layered ornaments, all right? So it's the base, the white, and then the top layer. And there are little gold stars. And what I did to ink these, I put it on my Cricut mat like this, stuck it down, and I put all of the letters there, okay? And then I could ink the top, ink the bottom, and have them all the same rather than try to ink each individual letter. So it helps. And oh, and these little stars here go on the ornament, so you get 3 of those. And this ornament, the blue ornament and the green ornament are the same, just different colors. And you might get a piece where you got to poke a hole out. There's another one there too. Well, maybe not. Maybe it didn't cut with the Cricut. There you go. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. There we go. All right, so there's another ornament. And you got a bunch of stars. Don't feel like you have to use them all. And that one will go there. This piece. And the two white ornaments are also for your titles, for the flock. And if you want to color them, you can. You know, it's always an option. So there's the F, the L, the T, the K, the C, and the O. And then these two can go over here. And there's another star, so that'll go there. You will go here. And then these go on the top of your ornaments, kind of hang. So you get 5 of those. All right. So we are missing the O for flock. There it is. Look thoroughly because they can stick together. So this is a sample of what it looks like on here. You don't have to have them in order as long as they're all together. So then I could ink one end and then ink the top, the bottom, and then the top, and then the bottom, and then the top if you want to do that. And let me show you again the sample. Okay, so see it was red and then the green. All right, so that you don't have to. You could leave it white if you'd like. So there is the title, and then I would put these on there and glue it together right on my Cricut mat. And I have a lot of Cricut mats that aren't very sticky anymore, but they're sticky enough for something like this, so that when I put this down to glue it, it stays there and doesn't jiggle around when I'm trying to glue it. Just a little tip there, and then there's a little piece of paper here. There we go. All right, so that looks good. So that's how you put the ornaments together. There's another star, all your stars, and these will then go here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You need to ink behind here for those white ornaments to stand out. Otherwise, you can outline them with a color or just ink around the edges. I also stamped a little bit behind here with the little leaf that's in the stamp set. Let's see, is there anything else? Not really. I think that's about it. And then I just glued them down. So it's a really easy layout. So you're going to ink a little bit behind here and then ink the edges of your ornament. Okay, and that will get you put together. Pretty simple, but I really like it. I enjoy this layout so much. And I can't put this one together because it is someone's that I have to mail to them. So, all right, if you have any questions, let me know. I will also be uploading a couple of videos of the cards that are for this kit as well. So with a $50 order, you get the first layout. A $75 order, you get the second layout. A $100 order, you get both layouts in a 4-card kit. And a $125 order, I will also add in the SVGs for Home for Christmas, all cut out for you. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. Take care.